Ingredients are tomato paste, salt 1 tablespoon, turmeric powder and cumin seeds, red chili powder and chill flakes, 2 sliced onions, 4 eggs and 6 to 7 green chilies, 5 to 6 sliced potatoes. Add 1 cup of ghee in a pan. Like, share, and subscribe. Add sliced onions in it. Sauté onions until it's golden brown. Add tomato paste in it. Red chili powder and chill flakes, turmeric powder and cumin seeds, salt. Give it a good mix. This is the easiest recipe. Now add sliced potatoes in it. And mix until everything is combined. You can have it in lunch, dinner, however you want. Cover it with a lid and let it cook on low flame for 10 minutes. Potatoes are 80% cooked now. Add garlic powder in it. And green chilies. Add some water and mix it well. Like, share, and subscribe. Cover with lid for 5 minutes now. It's ready. Now make some space for eggs. Crack eggs 1 by 1 and don't mix. Mix it gently so that we get chunks of eggs in it. After 2 minutes, it's perfectly cooked. Dish it out. Oh wow!